Welcome back. We'll get underway with the weigh in momentarily. Mom seems to be okay with me walking around now, more or less. Especially if she thinks she's going to be getting fed soon. If you want to follow along with the weigh-in, scroll down a little bit. You'll see a kitten cam fact and weight chart link. You don't want me to pet you? Without swatting me? Yep, that is a little bit of a hiss. I'm still too big. Let me sit down. Put you over here. There we go. Now I'm almost kitten height. She's okay with me petting her as long as she doesn't realize that I'm petting her. She's rubbing up against my shoe. You're a pretty lady, you know that? You're a good mama. Egon's eyes are starting to open up a little bit. And she's rubbed up against my shoe. Oh, there's her food. And she is purring hard. Needs food to distract her while I weigh the kittens. Of course, now she's sitting right where I need to put the scale. Oh, since we haven't started yet, let me go and see if I can find that bowl. She's sitting down in my spot. You can play with that if you want, Mom. Okay, looks like I'll use a different bowl for now. Trying to figure out what I did with it. You want to see this? She's kind of boring when it comes to toys. Here comes the magic noise. Here you go, mommy. Enjoy. Okay, let's see who we got here. That's probably Egon. His little eyes are open. Okay, yesterday Egon weighed 9 ounces even. Okay, are you still Egon? Let me see. If that's Egon, he's clocking in at 9.3 ounces. So that's a 0.3 ounce gain. Went from 255 grams to 264. Ray yesterday weighed 7.8 ounces. Every time I look away, I forget. I lose track of who's who. Ray's in at 8.3 ounces. So that's a half ounce gain. Went from 221 grams to 235. If you have an Xbox 360 controller, it weighs just as much as Egon does. Now, Egon's gain seems to be slowing down a little bit, but I am not concerned about it at all. He's still gaining. You know, Mom, you still have plenty of food out here. Look at this. Ooh, yummies. Dun, dun, dun. Over here, this way. Clean up your mess. Now come out here. Okay, they're still pretty much the same shade. Their colors are darkening. Egon's inquisitive. They don't seem to mind being held. They're pretty quiet. They can smell each other, so. Once Ray's eyes open, I'll take the box out. Somebody has a dark stripe under their tail. That one has a dark stripe. That one has a dark stripe. They both do. This is Ray. I'm about to come back, so I had to put him back. Who's a pretty lady? You are. Yes, you are. Did you snarf your food down too fast, huh? I guess that's a yes. And of course, she's going to go eat some more. Ray's eyes should start be opening any time now. Okay.
I'm getting the water ready for it too.
Okay. Now Samantha asks if wonders if Mama has depth perception issues. Judging by the way she would swat at me when she first got here, I would say that is a no. Who's a pretty mama? You are. She's about 2 years old, give or take. And I'm pretty sure this is not her first litter of kittens, as she seems to be quite experienced. You may have noticed that she trims the kitten's claws. That's an instinctive thing, though I have never seen that happen before. I have seen mama cats trim their whiskers. Her eye is from an old herpes infection when she was much younger, probably as a kitten, from an old injury. Her eye is smaller than her left eye, her good eye, and she has basically her third eyelid is attaching itself to the eye itself. We doubt that she can see anything. At most, she may see lightness and darkness. But the eye, if it doesn't bother her, right now we do not believe it is bothering her. If it continues to not bother her, she will have it removed on her spay day. In which case they will remove the eye, clean out the socket, and then sew the eye shut. The way she looks at me and at different objects, I do not believe that she's been looking out of that eye since she was a kitten. She does not look straight at me. She kind of looks off to the side so that her good eye is faced directly towards me. Ears are starting to unfold some more. We're getting some color to the tail, to the ears. Their coats are darkening. I think they're probably going to end up with a pattern similar to mom's, but more of a silver grayish color. If you watch the last Fosters, I think it'll be the same color as Sully's fur. The reason why we are likely to remove, or we are going to remove her eye, is because, while it may not be bothering her now, if left as is, it will bother her in the future. Okay, I'm gonna head out now. Go have dinner and watch a movie with my son. Don't know which movie yet. I left the squeaky mouse outside the kennel cage for Mama to find. Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.